I'm Will Arthur from Nantperis. I started work at the quarry as an apprentice fitter in August 1951 in the Gilfach Ddu. In the first 2 years I was in the fitting shop. I went working on the lathe and other machines. I then moved again to the loco shed where we fixed the engines and the trains. After my 5 years apprenticeship I did national service in the army. In 1958 I went back to the quarry where I continued to fix engines as well as water pumps and sewing machines. I also work on the blonding, lifting the slate and waste rocks from the halls. The yard was a fun place to work. There was a lot of fun and laughs to be had. At the time there were about 120 maintenance workers at the maintenance yard. The quarrymen used to call us blacks because we were covered in oil and dirt. We used to call them the old family. But in 1964 I was made redundant, and today I own and farm part of the land where the train used to travel, taking slates to the Hilly. Today, oddly enough, my grandchildren don't believe I used to drive through these fields. But there is still a slipper left with 2 chairs attached as proof, and a slight shock to the children. When I finished in 1964, it became clear to me that the golden age of the quarry was coming to an end. 5 years later, sadly, the quarry closed forever.